foodies, welcome back. In today's recipe, we'll make stuffed brinjal masala. This is a slow cooking recipe, but it's so yummy and tasty that if anyone who don't like brinjal also end up eating at least one or two. The stuffing we will use in this recipe is the onion paste. So let's see how to make it. Here I have taken 7 small brinjal. Add 1 teaspoon salt in the water. Now slit the brinjal from top to all the 4 sides, like shown in the video. Like this, you can cut all the brinjals and put them back in the salt water. Now heat 2 tablespoons oil in a non-stick pan or kadai. Place all the cut brinjals one by one. Just turn it so that oil is coated well to all the sides of the brinjal. Now cover the lid and let it cook on a lower flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can turn it to the sides so that the brinjal is cooked well from all the sides. Now you can see the brinjals are soft and it's almost 90% cooked. So remove it in a plate and keep it aside. Now we have to prepare the stuffing. For that we need 3 onions roughly cut, 3 to 4 garlic cloves again crushed roughly, 1.5 inch ginger, 1 green chili, you can add chilies as per your taste, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms, 4 cloves and half teaspoon shahajeera. Salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, or you can add as per your taste, and half teaspoon coriander powder. Now take a mixer jar, add onion, green chili, add ginger, cumin seeds, salt, add red chili powder, and coriander powder. Now all this make a coarse paste. Don't make the paste too fine. You can see the texture of the mixture. Like this you can make it. The other side, our brinjals are cooled down. So you can put the onion stuffing to the brinjals as shown in the video. Like this, you can put it and keep it in the plate. In the same way, you can stuff all the brinjals. same pan, add 2 more tablespoons oil. Once oil is moderately heat, add whole garam masala. Now add crushed garlic cloves. Just saute it. Once garlics are golden brown, place stuffed brinjals one by one. And also put all the remaining onion paste. Now cover the lid for 2 minutes. As you can see, after 2 to 3 minutes, onion has released moisture. So now let the brinjal cook along with the onion without covering the lid for another 10 to 15 minutes on a lower flame. As you can see, all the water is evaporated and the onion masala is really cooked well. Bring all the masala to the center and fry it till the oil oozes out from the sides. Once masala fried well and the oil oozes out, the stuffed brinjal masala is ready to serve. Do try this recipe, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you in the next video.